add a transition to the beginning and end of your videos, as well as in the middle. Let me show you how to add transitions now. Here I've got a video I'm working on that has a screen recording, a music track, and a voiceover. If you make a mistake and need to trim your clip after it's been completed, you can very easily. I did not know that the music track and voiceover track will be adjusted. Let's take a listen to the end of this video. Volume is turned down. You can redo your narration using a voiceover. The screen recording ends as I close the YouTube Create app. Select the clip and trim it back. To before the app closes. I'll just play the video now and you can see where it ends. Tap on Done. The video now ends properly and the music track and voiceover track were adjusted just by trimming the clip. If you want to get back to the beginning of your project without scrubbing back and forth, go ahead and tap the home icon. This will take you back to the home page, but if you open up that same project, your playhead now appears at the beginning of your video and you can continue editing. You can add transitions to the beginning and end of your video as well as in the middle. To add a transition, just tap on the transition point wherever it appears. Because there's only one video clip in this project right now, you will see transition points at the beginning and end of the video. Tap the transition point. When the transition panel appears, you can select from all of these transitions. There are quite a few. Take a look at 3. The first is dissolve. The next is fade to black, where it fades in from black because it's the beginning of the video. And the last one that I'm going to take a look at is fade in from white. Let me know in the comments which one you like. To make the transition longer, move the slider to the right. To make it shorter, move it to the left. You can go from 0 seconds all the way up to 2.0 seconds. If you make changes and need to reset the duration, you can just tap on Reset. When you've added a transition, the video will start on a black screen and fade in. The transition point now appears white to show you that you've added a transition. To add a transition to the end of the video, scrub to the end, and there's another transition point. Go ahead and tap on the same transition, and you'll see that the video doesn't dissolve, but it dissolves to black. Same thing if you select fade out. When you're done, you can tap on Done. The most common place for transitions is in between video clips. A transition would be appropriate here. When you're working with transitions, remember that the audio from the previous clip and the audio from the next clip will be affected. Tap on the transition point. Tap on any transition to select it. You've got quite a few options here. You get a short preview of what the transition will look like when you play the video. You can adjust the transition duration. That's how long the transition will take. To make the transition longer, move the slider to the right, and to make the transition shorter, move the slider to the left. If you need to reset the duration, tap on the reset option. When you're done, tap on done. The transition point turns white. That indicates that there is a transition. I'm at the end of the video and I can now add the last clip